Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Photoshop CC 2020 tutorial. Guys, this one I'm gonna show you how to do intelligent upsampling or low resolution. It's a high resolution by increasing the size of the image yet being able to keep a lot of the details that we're using a new technology that's been sort of in production for a little while and it's not quite 100% there, but it's pretty darn good. So let's just go ahead and look at this first step. Here you'll see I've got a low resolution image here. Go to image size, let's go up here. We're gonna go up to image size. You're gonna see here that this is 540 by 405, which is fine, but it's not really high resolution, right? This isn't exactly a DSLR picture, if you know what I mean. But what we want to do is, and here's the normal thing. Let's just discuss the normal way. If I wanted to make this like a high res picture, normally you go in and you would just increase it, right? So go to Edit, Preferences, select Technology Previews. Mark Enable Preserve Details 2.0 Upscale. OK. Now increase image size. Select Resample Preserve Details 2.0. Reduce Noise 20. See how smooth the picture has become. Previously, guys, so again the trick is Photoshop or File, go to Preferences, go to Technology Previews, make sure that Enable Preserve Details 2.0 is on. Then when you go to image size, go down to Preserve to when you're under Resample part of me, make sure that Preserve Details 2.0 or Preserve Details Enlargement, they're very much the same as on, and you're gonna get the ability to upsample. Thanks for watching tutorial. Guys, ton more stuff coming up, stay tuned. With